Week 12. Wow, time just flies. Uh, I hope all this work has come to this level where you can analyze and solve all the problems from the previous stages. And new features are evolving, and you're able to get a good grip of what the app is all about. One more thing to remind you is to have this digital marketing checklist also ready with you. That's going to be one of the things that you'll have to keep in mind in this stage. Okay, so keep that in mind. You would have already come across this. Make sure all the items in the checklist are done. Okay, till that. Now we've reached a stage where all the new features you can add and you're getting the app to be a near ready state. Okay, which in app parlance is what we call the launch. Okay, what does the launch remind you of? The word just a launch. What does it remind you of? Think about it. What it actually reminds you of? I'm very excited to tell you that we are in a startup called Agnikul. So this is a 4-year-old startup whose mission is to have rockets launched anywhere, anytime. And these are customized rockets that can be sent, making space travel or probably just sending payload very accessible. It's very exciting, right? So I want you to have the same excitement that there is associated with the rocket launch. Think of it as a mission critical stuff that whenever you're thinking about an app, think of all the things that need to go in there. Think of each and every item in your app checklist, right? Look at what all features should be there, customer facing features that you can think of. Now think about all that and make sure everything is in there, right? Whether it is a website, whether it is your updated versions on your Play Store, or if you're launching it in a real market, make sure that everything is ready. Okay, this is going to be absolutely critical. Okay, once you're ready, launch it and watch the fun, right? That's what is going to be critical for you.